Hey guys, is you okay? Is you okay? Cause DMs. DC's want to know. If you don't know who DC's are, I kind of came up with that because dramatic crunches is too long to say every information one you have to do. That took like 25 seconds to say all that. Now 30. Okay. I got an inbox actually. I've been getting like since it's only been active for like not 3 days. Haven't uploaded any videos till today. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20 inboxes. Yes, all today. The 11th, shit, 29th, the 11th, 12. This girl, good couple, about a 200 word letter. And I'll put her name down below. She's like, it's just her sister's birthday. Her name is Karen. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it correctly. I want to make a request to surprise her by sending you a dare which you can do for her. Is this even recording? I sure can do that. As long, oh, my toe. Yeah. My toe is like, okay. Anyway, I didn't even realise I had shorts on. I forgot. Thought I had pants on. Whoops. Okay. The other dramatic crunchy, when she comes back, who shall do your dare request, and all the ones that take 2 people will do it when there's 2 people of us. Right now there's only me, because she's at her boyfriend's house now. Oh sorry, I had to crack my neck. I crack a lot of bones that way. Yeah, that's not the point of this story. I'm getting sidetracked. Stay on track. Shit, what was I talking about? Okay, let me have a look. Karen. Happy birthday, Karen. I hope you have a good one. You're beautiful. Have a good day. I don't even know how old you are. Your sister didn't tell me. That have massive. It's tiny. A massive, massive, massive happy birthday to you. Just inbox me if you want, and I'll give you my Skype, and you can Skype. Same with everyone. My Facebook. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Add me on Facebook. My phone's ringing. Yeah, private number. Oh yeah, if you just want to call me, just find out my number. You just want to call me. Oh, that tickles. And he's going to call me. Don't call him private because I don't answer private. Yeah, got it. Yeah, got it. So yeah, happy birthday, Karen. I hope you have a good one. You're beautiful. You're amazing. Love you. I just came up with the best idea. You know how like Reese Maston knows that? So that's all rock and roll people. He goes, ah. Okay. Alan's gonna be like, head on the side and pout. See you.